Hey, hello. Hey you. I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny Prochko from Miles and Indigo, and today I have been slacking a little bit on my goals, and it's actually a moon phase check-in day. So I have a lot of things that I need to get done if I'm going to stay on track with my goals this month. And that's what today is about. I want to show you what I do to make sure I stay on top of my goals so I've accomplished them in 1 month. So let's go ahead and get into today and see what I have left to do. All right, come along with me and we'll go ahead and get this day started. Now that all of that's done, I can finally go ahead and record my moon phase check-in video. And if you missed that, make sure you go watch it after this video. Yesterday, I shared with you my waxing gibbous moon phase check-in for my spiritual lunar journaling practice. That's what I do. I journal as a spiritual practice, and I don't know if anyone else does that. I feel like I'm the only one who does. So let me know in the comments down below if you have a spiritual journaling practice. I would really love to meet you and connect with you and just hear what your practice is all about. But you've seen some things today that I like to do that are part of my spiritual goals and part of my practice, and I'm super excited to get them done and to just feel good about today. And you got to see a little bit of the kitties today too. Little Olena, my black cat, and Zoya, our little Gingy cat. They are just the two sweetest little things, and they're also the most ornery little things too. It's crazy how animals can be both. If you want to see more pictures of the kitties and more of my practices, head over to Instagram and subscribe to me there. That's at Owls and Indigo over on Instagram. That's where I am most. And you can actually find me over on the website too, owlsandindigo.com, where I share weekly spirituality tips, journaling and writing prompts, little tidbits about the moon and how to move through the lunar phases with your goal setting, mental health and awareness, and my story. So if you're interested in any of those things, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss anything. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.